everyone, welcome back to Last Tech News, where we dive into the tools and innovations shaping our digital world. Today, we're exploring Notion, an app that's revolutionizing personal organization and productivity. Whether you're setting goals, managing projects, or planning your life, Notion is a powerhouse that can do it all. Let's get into what makes it the ultimate tool for 2025. First, let's start with the basics. What is Notion? It's a productivity app created by Notion Labs Inc., a company founded by Ivan Zhao in 2013. While it took a few years to gain traction, its real breakthrough came in 2018 with an updated interface and a free personal plan that made it accessible to millions. Today, Notion has over 30 million active users worldwide. Why? Because it blends note-taking, project management, collaboration, and more into one highly customizable tool. Let's break it down. So, what exactly sets Notion apart? Well, it's more than just another productivity app. It's like a blank canvas for your organization needs. You can build databases, create shared workspaces, track goals, and even design a personal website, all in one place. Here are its standout features. Flexible databases. Organize your data however you want, whether as tables, calendars, or Kanban boards. Templates. Start with pre-made templates or design your own. Collaboration tools. Work with teammates or share projects in real time. Cross-platform support. Use it on desktop, mobile, or via your web browser. Integration friendly. Sync it with calendars or automation tools like Zapier. Let's talk about how people actually use Notion. Whether you're a student, a small business owner, or just someone trying to organize their life, Notion can adapt to your needs. 1. Goal setting and personal dashboards. Start your year with a dashboard that centralizes all your tasks and goals. Imagine tracking your fitness milestones, career achievements, and financial planning in one place. Notion lets you break down big goals into manageable steps, using tools like to-do lists or Kanban boards to stay on top of everything. 2. Project management. For freelancers or teams, Notion makes managing projects seamless. Switch between calendar views, tables, and Kanban boards to handle deadlines, clients, and deliverables. Whether you're a writer tracking articles or a marketer planning campaigns, Notion's flexibility shines. Notion is often compared to apps like Trello, Evernote, and Asana. But here's why it stands out. Customization. Unlike Trello or Asana, which focus on specific workflows, Notion lets you create custom solutions tailored to your needs. All-in-one solution. Where Evernote is great for notes and Trello excels at Kanban boards, Notion combines these into one cohesive platform. Cost-effectiveness. Notion's free personal plan is robust enough for most users, making it an accessible option without a subscription fee. If you're tired of switching between multiple apps for different tasks, Notion simplifies everything into one hub. One of Notion's biggest strengths is its database system. You can view your data in multiple ways, depending on what works best for you. Here are the highlights. Kanban boards. Perfect for tracking progress on tasks. Calendars. Ideal for scheduling deadlines and meetings. Tables. For a clean, structured view of data. Timelines and galleries. Great for visually tracking projects or organizing creative content. These views allow you to switch perspectives effortlessly, whether you're managing a wedding or planning a major project. If you're new to Notion, its open-ended design might feel overwhelming at first. That's where templates come in. With thousands of free and premium templates available, you can get started with tools for habit tracking, meal planning, or even managing a business CRM. For example, Notion's New Year goal templates are a popular choice, helping users set annual goals and track progress on a monthly or weekly basis. Notion isn't just for personal use, it's a fantastic tool for collaboration. Its real-time features make it a strong competitor to apps like Google Docs or Microsoft Teams. You can share workspaces, assign tasks, and track team progress, all in one place. Even outside of work, Notion's collaboration tools are great for everyday projects. Couples can plan weddings, roommates can manage budgets, or families can organize schedules seamlessly. In 2024, Notion introduced its calendar integration, allowing users to manage events directly within the app. This feature ties into personal dashboards, making it easy to track meetings and deadlines alongside other projects. What's next? Notion is reportedly working on an email client, further expanding its functionality. The future looks bright for this productivity powerhouse. Here's the thing. Notion's customizability is both its biggest strength and its biggest challenge. Unlike plug-and-play apps like Trello, Notion requires some initial setup. But once you get the hang of it, the possibilities are endless. For beginners, starting with templates is the best way to learn. And with plenty of tutorials and resources available, Notion's learning curve is worth the effort. Notion's developers are constantly innovating, focusing on adding automation and AI-powered tools. These advancements aim to make workflows even more seamless. With plans to expand collaboration features and improve mobile functionality, Notion is poised to remain a leader in productivity. So, why is Notion the ultimate personal organization tool for 2025? It's unmatched in flexibility, cost-effectiveness, and sheer capability. Whether you're managing a team, planning your goals, or organizing your daily life, Notion empowers you to take control like never before. I'm sure this tool will be very useful to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the tools and tech shaping our future. Thanks for watching Last Tech News. See you in the next video.